Bonjour les étudiants, welcome to the French class once again. In this French lesson, we are going to learn about indefinite articles in French. What are indefinite articles in French? But first of all, we need to understand what are indefinite articles in English. So in English, the indefinite articles are a and some. A and some. These are indefinite articles in English. So now first of all, let's look at the sentence in English and find out what is indefinite article in this sentence. So here it is, the sentence first. I have a book. I have a book. So where is the indefinite article in this sentence? Yes, absolutely correct. That a is an indefinite article. Now let's have a look at another sentence. He has an eraser. He has an eraser. So here the indefinite article is what? Absolutely correct. That is N. So that is indefinite article in that sentence. So these are indefinite articles in English. Now let's learn the indefinite articles in French. So in French, the indefinite articles are a, une, des. A, une, des. We use a before a masculine singular noun. We use a before any masculine singular noun. For example, I want to say that a boy. A boy. So boy in French is garçon. Garçon. So garçon, boy, is a masculine singular noun. So which article we will put here? If we want to say a boy, definitely we will put a. So it's like a garçon. A garçon. That means a boy. We use une before a feminine singular noun. Before a feminine singular noun. For example, I want to say a girl. A girl. So girl in French is fille. Fille. So which article I will put here? Definitely I will put une. So une fille. Une fille. That means a girl. Now at the end we use they before masculine and feminine plural nouns. Before masculine and feminine plural nouns. For example, I want to say boys. Boys. That means plural, more than one boy. So I would say des garçons. Des garçons. We have to add s in garçon, in that noun, in order to make it plural, as we do in English. So it's like des garçons. Des garçons. And if I want to say girls, girls, again I have to put des, they. That means also some. So you can say girls or some girls. Yeah, some boys. Des garçons or des filles.